Unleash your inner artist with the generic Fridge Magnet Press Kit 2.5. This kit is your passport to personalized magnets. You get a sturdy 2.5 x 2.5 inch square fridge magnet badge maker machine. It also includes a handy paper cutter. Plus, 100 blank magnet materials are included. Think of this kit as a magic wand. It transforms your favorite photos or designs. These become cool refrigerator stickers. Therefore, your fridge becomes a gallery. Moreover, it's really fun to use. The machine itself is robust, it's built for repeated use. You can make gifts for friends or create unique party favors. This kit is a fantastic value. Thus, it's perfect for crafters, and it's great for small businesses. Making magnets is a breeze with this generic Fridge Magnet Press Kit 2.5. First, design your image. The included paper cutter then trims it perfectly. Next, the press machine works its magic. It fuses your design onto the magnet. The process is smooth and satisfying. You'll quickly get the hang of it. Additionally, the finished magnets are durable. They stick well to any magnetic surface. Imagine creating custom magnets for birthdays or for holiday celebrations. Perhaps you want to promote your small business. These magnets are a creative solution. Consequently, they make excellent keepsakes. Furthermore, they are unique. The possibilities are endless. This kit empowers your creativity. Pros: 4 HDMI 2.1 ports included. Excellent wide viewing angles, extremely bright display, minimal blooming artifacts, eco-friendly rechargeable remote, effective anti-glare screen, optimized for gaming features, stunning picture clarity, vibrant and rich color reproduction, intuitive and easy to set up, high-quality sound experience, advanced mini LED technology, realistic contrast and brilliance, Dolby Atmos sound support, great for bright rooms, Class QN90C Neo QLED 4K UHD. Smart Tizen TV. 2023. Best Buy. https www.bestbuy.com/site/reviews/samsung-QN90C-neo-QLED-4K-UD-smart-tizen-TV-2023/6533835. Class QN90C Series 4K UHD Neo QLED LCD TV, Costco. https www.costco.com/samsung-65% 22-Class-UD-Series-4K-UD-ULED-LCD-TV-UD-Allstate-3-Year-Prot. Session Plan Bundle included FOR 5 years of total coverage. Product point 40001475599. HTML features. Makes 2.5 x 2.5 inch square magnets, also makes refrigerator stickers, includes a badge maker. Function, comes with a paper cutter, includes 100 magnet materials, DIY photo magnet creation. Easy to use press machine, ideal for personalized gifts, creates custom fridge decor, metric size. 63.5 by 63.5 millimeters. This machine lets you easily make your own 2.5 x 2.5 inch. 63.5 by 63.5 millimeters. Square fridge magnets and stickers. It comes with a paper cutter and 100 magnet making materials. So you can start creating personalized photo magnets right away. It's a simple press machine that's great for making unique gifts or custom decorations for your fridge. This summary covers 2 distinct products: a fridge magnet maker and a high-end TV. The generic 2.5 x 2.5 inch square fridge magnets badge maker machine is a tool for making refrigerator stickers, including a paper cutter and 100 materials for DIY projects. The Class QN90C Neo QLED 4K UHD Smart Tizen TV 2023 is a feature-rich television with 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, wide viewing angles, a very bright display, and minimal blooming. It also has an eco-friendly remote, an effective anti-glare screen, and is optimized for gaming. This TV offers stunning picture clarity, vibrant colors, easy setup, and high-quality sound with Dolby Atmos support, making it great for bright rooms thanks to its advanced mini LED technology which provides realistic contrast and brilliance.